It is time again. When did we last upload? I just closed it. Oh my god. Last upload was 3 weeks ago. This is when I kind of broke down my biggest gain. I'm not gonna hype me coming back. Just needed a break. I think the break was well needed, and here we are. Alright, we're basically... So, I guess this is like my implied move for just today, or at least decent targets on a higher time frame where we can either bounce off of or kind of target. The first one is around 332 points on NQ, MEQ, whatever. And the other one's 446. Now, we could easily target certain areas. We just want to see where price is going on the higher time frame. That's pretty much where I'm headed at. Anybody else been sick? I've been dying, I'm not gonna lie. At least the last like week or so. Damn. Okay. Let's see, 1 hour. I don't usually mark these, but I'm just curious. If we come back into this range on Asia's session now, let's come back up. Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna keep these on actually. If you guys don't like them, tell me in the comments, but I'm actually gonna just keep this on just so I'm not over abusing lines, because I already feel like I have way too many lines and I don't want to confuse myself. So Asia high, London low, and Asia low. I haven't been on Top Step in a while. I think to kind of start things off, I'm gonna be on 4 contracts. I think that's pretty reasonable. If I'm consistent over the next week or so, I should be able to pass the account. My only worry is I look over a couple of things and I don't really wait for confirmation, but I'm gonna try to wait as long as possible. That the fight over what was it, 2 days ago? I don't even know. Yeah, 2 days ago, the Conor McGregor fight. Insane times. I will say so myself. Yeah, so Nvidia ending pretty high, above 210. Meta has been running these last couple days. It was actually down in the pre-market. Alright, mainly looking at everything right now. BTC down, ETH down, Sol down, XRP down, gold. Why is silver all the way down here? Gold and silver down. The dollar has been pretty fucking strong recently. I mean, yeah, we just have this massive shoot up. Nikkei. Still looking strong. Another down a lot from all-time highs, but technically pretty much flat. I wouldn't say anything. Everything else pretty flat. Yeah. VIX is actually up to 16. CL, I think these are before. We're a little bit back up. Yeah, this is one thing that kind of screwed me over is I guess coming back into trading, the war was done. We had a ceasefire and it's all gone now. So we're gonna see how that plays out, I guess. Not gonna be fun. Just the conditions might be so shit. So that's kind of my fear right now, but we will see. We are in this big, heavy downtrend though. Equal highs right here. And we're on our 4th consecutive black candle. 5 minutes until it open. Why am I the one on time for holy shit? What is this? Like, what am I looking at? Like, I don't understand. Sorry for all the sniffles. I'm dying. Like, it's just annoying. I wish it wasn't here. All of a sudden we have an uptrend, or this could turn into an uptrend. Yeah, we just start pumping out of nowhere. That's so crazy. I'm not gonna lie. We could easily take out these highs off of open. I feel like it should start to go up now. Yeah, more orders rest above than below. It's pretty 50-50. Okay. Got 2 minutes. Looks like semis are actually down pre-market. Yeah. A lot of semis are down pre-market. Yeah, it does look like we're gonna come out and take out these highs maybe off of market open. At least market looks like it's like trying to suck it up. I don't know. We'll see though. Alright, here we go. Okay. Some downers. I guess it's a better look here. That is the 5 minute. Just straight right through it. Okay, so we hit like a fucking fake ass jump. I guess this is sweeping liquidity? Like, I'm not really sure what that is. We could just go right back down to... I don't really like opens like this, where it's just kind of like up, down, we're just crabbing in the same direction. It's not really, there's no progress being made. God dang. Yeah, I guess if we see a close above this, we technically respected this 5 minute. I guess we'll see how that goes. Yeah, just pretty up and down so far. Nothing really big made. Yeah, I think price wants to go lower. That's what it looks like. Okay, that's London low. We could either keep going lower or... Oh, damn, is that an entry? I don't think it is. I'm gonna just ignore it. Damn, is this an entry? What the fuck? Nice, bro. Hopefully I didn't just dox myself, but... I'm really looking at this area right now. Let's just hope it wasn't... I don't think it was.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in. I guess I would rather take it than not take it. It's kind of a weird entry, but I'm assuming we do take out these lows. I don't really think there's a break even in this trade. Just kind of where I want it to be. Damn, I'm sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me. Guess we'll see price react to this. I guess this is where patience comes in. You're supposed to just be patient. Well, no shit, but I almost feel like I forgot what it's like to trade. Like the feeling of it. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I don't really expect to win this trade, but it's going in my favor, so we'll see. I'm getting close to the TP now.
Order filled.
And that is just straight bang. I'm not gonna lie, that is pretty fucking crazy. Alright, yeah, I guess that was all I needed, just that one trade. Which, yeah, this is pretty much that low of Asia low. It's not quite the low. It's actually where the wicks are, or the candle bodies themselves are. There is a wick a little bit lower, but I didn't really need that one. That is pretty sensational. We're up 565 for the day. Only like 11 minutes into market open, so today was definitely quick. I honestly didn't expect it to be that easy. Sorry about that cough, bro. It's brutal out here. It truly is. Hopefully this doesn't dump to oblivion, but maybe it does. Who knows? Who cares? I'm not gonna trade anymore, so yeah. And that's pretty much where my TP was. It's just this bottom, and yeah, we smacked it right in the dome. All right, well, thanks for watching. Guess I'll see you guys tomorrow.